great.
You have your camera on?
Huh?
You don't have your camera on, do you?
Yeah, I do. I can't shut it off because if I shut it off and turn it back on, sometimes it doesn't restart.
Any gas or anything?
Go there and get some shade.
Yeah, I'll top off. That was some great trail though.
Yeah.
That last section was real technical towards the end.
Just a half a tank.
But it gets a lot bigger down at the bottom.
Yeah, I know.
But no, I was on it a lot.
You have a gas can on here, right?
Yeah.
One's yours.
All the way up in the front.
Oh, geez. He's our gopher. Huh? Oh, I think.
Yeah, I remember this is where we pitted for the moonshine.
Yeah. This is where my kids parked to go run one.
Right.
Oh, yeah. I wonder if his dad's here today. That was dad's race. His dad does.
Dad can't come up. He comes a little bit after.
There's cold ice, there's water in the cooler if you want one.
I got stuff in put a cooler on the truck too. I haven't even been riding that long, I don't really.
I always fill up when you can.
Yeah, definitely. I've been getting arm pump really
You
bad.
got the electric start one.
I used to. Starter burned out.
Okay, Butchie, you're a hose man.
Yeah, I was getting better kicking this thing.
Yeah, it's rough and you have to kick him up. That's when you know you're getting over.
Yeah, it's a tough motor to take over actually.
Fakes doesn't even have never proved his best kicks for him all.
That's good. That's good. Thanks.
Yeah. There's shade over there in the chair if you want.
Yeah, I was out in Brent's out this morning. Even the checkpoint like McDonald's. Still hasn't passed me.
How long you for?
What's that?
Oh,
Double up.
He's double A. He runs air swap usually.
Wish that was Jake right there.
Oh, what's the real fast kid used to race at RM80 in there? Nice. Any good?
Yeah,
How's the tire work?
pretty good.
You like it?
Yeah, I made 2 bad choices though. I got stuck. Yeah, the line choice and everything. Yeah, one guy that I rode with that over 16 to 4. 16 to 20 is how many points. One day you'll figure out Enduro, man. You got a 59 too. I pulled a 359 on that first section. Really? Yeah. I thought they were going to call it. Wrong. The guy behind me got an 1810.
Did it tell him?
What?
Did it know it?
You won't go stop at the other side. You should be faster than that. I pulled a 359.
That's perfect for 16, right?
But yeah, it's a check.
Is he OD anywhere along the way?
Roy's on the road behind him.
That's it. That's fucking old night.
Yeah, you know that where you went between those 2 big rocks? I nailed my right fork right into one of them. Well, there was a sea rider coming this way, so I thought I could hop down big rock and pass him. And my back was right, and I stuck in place straight up the ear between 2 rocks. Yeah, that was rough right there. And then that creek crossing with the big rocks on the other side, I got wedged in that one too. Yeah, I was happy. Oh, I'll talk to that. That first part is
past the turn, he passed me, and then he moved past the turn, and I passed him.
Yeah. Huh? Oh, yeah. Hey, Justin! Can I have some water?
This is actually like halfway, isn't it? We're going to get two and then back out.
Oh, like half my water away. That's the first one.
I don't feel like I can ride there.
What are you looking at? Open one ready or what?
Pretty good, I think so. It's pretty slick out there, ain't it?
Yeah, first section, real fluid.
Right after the first
Jeffrey was
section,
worried it was going to be
right after the check, there was a log down, and I didn't see it, and I was riding slow. Fucking took my front tire, and I hit a tree right on my shoulder.
Did you? Right good today, though? Yeah, I jumped the tree.
I went ahead and got stuck up. Going down that straightaway, I thought I was downshifting, but apparently it wasn't. So we're still on like fifth gear going up the hill.
Oh, we turned off the coal road?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Yeah, that'll happen.
And then the big water crossing.
Yeah, I got stuck in that
I
one too.
took the far right lane, and then that turned up to be a rock right there.
Yeah, I got stuck in that, on that
There's
quick
four
rock.
people standing there. Why aren't they pointing people left?
I don't know. I thought I
once
could
you
hang
get
on
stuck.
that rock and my bike slid right down against the other one. I was screwed.
Yeah.
I thought I could hold it, but I couldn't. My front tire got it, but the back tire caught it, and it wedged the back tire in it.
And the guy was looking at me and was like, a little help, dude?
Yeah.
Smoke the best. Like, look over there.
Why is he leaving the other one right there? Why the hell did he hit it? It's on.
Went right between the two big rocks. Last second, I nailed my foot right into one of them. Stopped it dead. I don't think, no, it was on the other side. My road was already kind of I gotta get to the car for it.
You look good.
I don't notice it on the trail though. Yeah, first section was nice, all fast.
Yeah.
Me and Scott, I both passed the turn, and Scott passed me. And I thought I'm going up the hill, and I was really getting hot.
Yeah. Right, all dropping that hill.
That was a long hill.
Crap.
Yeah, there were two guys stuck in the rocks in one hill. I went all the way around to the right. It was like smooth sailing over there. I don't know what they were thinking picking this one. That's all it is through rocks. You just gotta pick your line. Pick your line, try to keep your right on there.
Yeah. Don't stop.
All that stuff is fresh.
20 minutes.
There's Ogie.
Is that him?
Right here.
Yeah.
There's the old mice.
Grab those pounds.
All four of the guys on my road. Yeah, just come check it out.
Did you? Good job.
There was that spot where that rock hung out.
There's a lot more pressure.
He's looking after him. That big rock was like, he supposed to get out onto that little rock. Here, you can just run like this. Do it up on the next one.
Yeah, a lot of pressure.
Yeah. there's a lot of people stuck there.
Yeah, I recognize this.
My first said it was
I never watched it.
I'm hoping to pick up something.
But
From the south.
that's like they got one in them, like how my dog
I'm looking for it.
What's that Snickers called?
The fender they just changed over in 14. The XCW got that fender in 14. And the plastics, they got the SX plastics still in 14.
Yeah. Now I can lug it again.
Couple minutes. Next one. The next one's back. It's okay. Oh, we all go first.
See, I'm the opposite. Mine's the open chamber. It's really good in the rocks. I don't know about really good, but I think it's better than closed chamber stuff. But out in the open, the road sand and stuff like that, it sucks. What does it do? It just bottom all over the place. I got to turn it in so far to get it to not bottom out so I can get to the most fast enough. And then when I do that, if you get to a root or something, the wheels literally go like this. Yeah, that's why I'm running that thing almost all the way back out. I have to redo it. My force seal just started leaking again. Last race and I don't know. I really like them. I buy almost all my cars from them. I had to do that last year, but part of the problem I think is I didn't really know what the problem was. I just knew that it wasn't working right at the time. I believe the problem is that they don't have enough bottom resistance and they have too much high-speed compression. So you hit those roots and stuff, and even when it's backed out, it still is stiff. So you got to turn it really far out, but then it bottoms out too easy. So I started adding oil to the forks, and that makes a big difference with the bottoming resistance. But you got to watch when it's set so soft like this, they'll pack down, and then you're riding all the way at the bottom of the stroke, and it actually gets stiffer because of that.
You can see it pushes the tire over, comes right back.
Yeah, it gets stiff over that.
What did my staff?
What I want to do is set them out and get them completely redone. There's a couple companies that really know what they're doing with them. Dyno. Well, I don't know shit about that. They can have a dyno all day. I mean, I know a lot of people say factory knows what they're doing. There's a place called KTM World down in Georgia, I think.
If need be, we'll do that.
I think they're the biggest KTM dealer in the country.
We just get butchered.
They said they do almost all service work on suspensions, like almost all of it they do.
And say here,
Service
sitting here
department.
with nothing.
And they laid out exactly what they do.
Right, Butch?
And they have, it's not just a valving thing that they do. They put in custom CNC parts, all kinds of stuff. If you get everything done, the whole vacuum, the force and the shock, and all the worst parts, it's about $1,000. 27 from what they're describing and what they're actually saying the problems are with it. It's exactly what I'm complaining about. And I really want to get that done. I can't afford it. So I think I'm just going to end up having solid do it again. But I think if I go, I'm hoping if I go in there, I have a better idea of what I'm complaining about. The valving will redo for free if I'm having the service done with it. So. It was about 800, and I got I have one header spring forward, right side of it, and one stock spring on the left side. Still got plenty of time. What time yet? Time yet or 7 minutes I got.
out, Jeffrey?
That first section was bad.
Yep.
Used to be one of the only ones that didn't drill one of them.
Hard to park when you drove on this far.
The trail's as wide as BP. She was walking down.
We walked down. Still good today. It's bouncy today.
Well, I'm gonna head down.
All right, then we'll see you back. What? It's only an hour back to the guns to ride. Thanks, back to the guns. 10:30 the first row, so you should be at around quarter up to 10, 11 o'clock. And it's 10 to 10 now. Yeah, same with stack. Even about out.
Thanks.
You want water to fill your pack? Your full pack?
I just filled it.
Okay.
What's up?
Probably right about time, right?
Yeah. Getting there.
You need this strap?
We can be early.
Yeah.
Yeah, you still got 4 minutes, but we can head out. Either be waiting here or waiting at the store control.
my sights for like...
I thought you were going to get me.
Probably half that. And then you blew that turn, and I saw the guy that was like laid over, the bike was